Do your cupboards look like this? They've got a bit of grease all over them. I'm going to show you how I remove grease in a very fast and efficient way. So let's dive right in. So the product I like to use elbow grease because it's a great degreaser. It's just grease that has just been you're doing cooking, or so many hands be touching with greasy fingers and stuff. So the best thing that I like to use, like I mentioned, is elbow grease, but I currently don't have any with me today. So I'm going to be using washing up liquid. So any washing up liquid you have, and any cloth, any cleaning cloth that you have got, make sure that it's damp. And let me show you how I do it. I just squeeze like so, wipe. And that should do the trick. Depending on how much grease you've got, you can repeat the process as many times as you need to. And then you just get a towel and then you just wipe off the excess. And that should hopefully do the trick, but it doesn't seem to have gone away, so I'm going to repeat the process again over here. After those 2 attempts, I've realized it's not giving me the result that I'm wanting, so I'm gonna get my secret weapon, which will definitely get rid of it. Guessed correctly, it's white vinegar. White vinegar. White vinegar works really well as a degreaser, so I've just sprayed that onto there, and then we're just gonna leave it for a few more minutes. Hopefully that will do the trick. I should wipe it off. And there we have it, much better. I'm quite happy with that. If you guys enjoyed that quick tip, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Guys, have a lovely day. Bye.